Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can add overlay in Capcut PC. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, open the Capcut app on your PC or laptop and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. Simply click on the New Project button and import your target media. I will then add another video that I will use as the overlay. After importing the media, click on the add icon to add it to the timeline. Now, trim the video to desired length and click and drag it right above the base layer. After that, change its scaling and put it right where you want it. And that's how you can add overlay in Capcut PC. Hope you like the video. Thanks.